Workout completed. Congratulations.
Hello! Possible ba na makatakbo ng 21 kilometers under 2 hours ang isang average person with no experience, zero knowledge sa running in just 2 weeks of preparation? Tara, let's find out.
Today, I'm trying to run 15 kilometers. Ang pinakamahaba kong long run bago ako mag 21K. And I have some company. Ilang kilometers ang tatakbuhin nyo?
20, 21.
Wala pa silang natatakbo. Alam na nila yung kakainin nila. Good job. Dito kami ngayon sa Bermuda Triangle. We are warmed up. Okay na, ready na. Ready na din ang aking mga fans and supporters. Got the gel.
Not sponsored by the way.
Not sponsored by the way. Medyo umuulan na pero okay lang. 15 kilometers. Let's go. So my game plan is less talking, more running. Medyo crowded pero all goods lang naman. Kailangan medyo mag-ingat. Umulan kasi kaya medyo madulas yung floor. Bro, malakas na yung ulan man. 3 kilometers. Still feeling good. Medyo ingat lang sa floor kasi medyo madulas. $5K. Thank you. That's the best aid station, pare. Woo. 8K. That's 2K tapos rest. Water break. First gel. Last 5K. Let's go. Ah.
Workout completed.
Okay, done.
Congratulations.
Mga pang 7th kilometer, medyo bumibigat na yung legs ko. Buti na lang, nakakasabay ko sila. Tinitrick ko na lang yung utak ko na every time na makakaikot ako, tas sabi ko, may kita ko na sila.